Hey there, future financial freedom fighters. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Ready to take control of your money and start building the life you've always dreamed of? Whether you're aiming to retire early, travel the world, or simply live stress-free, there's one budgeting rule you need to know: the 50-30-20 rule. That's right, this simple yet powerful rule could be your ticket to financial freedom. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because today we're going to break down this rule in a way that's easy to understand, super actionable, and will have you taking control of your financial future in no time. Let's break down what the 50-30-20 rule is all about. The 50-30-20 rule is a simple budgeting strategy that divides your income into three categories. 1. 50% needs. These are essential expenses, the things you can't live without: housing, utilities, transportation, food, and insurance.
2. 30% wants.
These are things that make life enjoyable, but aren't strictly necessary. Think dining out, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment, or that fancy coffee you get every morning. 3. 20% savings and debt repayment. This is the crucial part. It's the money you put towards building your financial future, whether that's putting it into savings, investing, or paying off debt. Now you might be asking, why is this rule so effective? Well, here's the deal. It's all about balance. The 50-30-20 rule provides a simple yet foolproof way to help you focus on what's important: your basic needs, your happiness, and your future financial well-being. Here's why it works. Simplicity. It's not complicated. You don't need spreadsheets, complex calculations, or a degree in finance to make it work. Flexibility. The 50-30-20 rule works for almost any income level, from part-time workers to high earners. You can adjust it depending on your priorities and goals. Prioritization. This rule helps you prioritize your spending. You're automatically forced to make sure you cover your essential needs, while still leaving room for fun and saving for the future. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and even retiring early, the 50-30-20 rule will give you a clear roadmap to help you get there. Here's the magic. The best time to start using the 50-30-20 rule is now. Don't wait until next month, next year, or when you have a raise or bonus coming. The sooner you get started, the sooner you'll begin seeing the benefits. You don't need to wait until you're rich or stable to get started. The 50-30-20 rule can be applied no matter where you are in your financial journey. Whether you're just starting out in your career or you've been at it for years, the key is to build the habit of mindful spending and saving now. So take a moment, pull out your paycheck, your bank statement, or even just jot down some numbers in a notebook. That's step one. There's no reason to wait. You can apply this rule anywhere. Whether you live in a big city, a small town, or even if you're living the digital nomad life, it's a universal strategy that works across the board. At home, if you're living in your own space, the 50% for needs will go toward rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, etc. For those who live in a shared space, this percentage might look a little different, but the core principle remains the same. In your career, whether you're working full-time, part-time, or freelancing, your income is the foundation for applying the 50-30-20 rule. During transitions, whether you're moving cities, starting a new job, or making major life changes, this rule will adapt with you and keep you on track. For your family, if you're supporting a family, the 50-30-20 rule can still be applied. Just adjust for your household income and needs. Basically, anywhere you earn money, this rule works. All right, now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to apply the 50-30-20 rule to your life. Ready? Step 1. Track your income. Start by determining how much money you're bringing in each month. This includes your salary, freelance income, or any side hustle earnings. Be sure to look at your take-home pay, not your gross income. This is the actual amount that ends up in your bank account after taxes and deductions. Step 2, calculate your needs, 50%. Now, take 50% of your income and use it for your needs. This includes rent or mortgage payments, utilities, electricity, water, internet, groceries and basic household items, transportation costs, car payments, gas, public transit, insurance, health, car, home. 3. Pro tip: if you're spending more than 50% of your income on these, it might be time to reevaluate your expenses. Maybe you can find cheaper housing or cut back on transportation costs. Step 3. Allocate 30% to wants. Next up, take 30% of your income and use it for wants. This is where you get to have some fun with your money. This includes dining out or ordering takeout, entertainment, movies, concerts, streaming services, shopping for clothes, gadgets, or other luxury items, vacations and travel. 5. Tip: if you're tight on cash, consider cutting back on some of your wants. That doesn't mean eliminating fun altogether. It just means being mindful of how much you're spending. Step 4. Save 20% for the future. Finally, put 20% of your income towards savings and debt repayment. This could mean setting up an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses, contributing to retirement accounts like 401k, IRA, paying off high-interest debts like credit card bills, investing in stocks, real estate, or other passive income opportunities. 7. Pro tip: treat this 20% as untouchable. The more you save and invest now, the sooner you'll reach financial freedom. And that's it, folks. The 50-30-20 rule in a nutshell. It's simple, effective, and powerful, and it works for anyone, no matter what stage you're at in your financial journey. So, are you ready to take control of your finances and start building toward financial freedom? Start today. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you'll be well on your way to achieving your money goals, whether that's early retirement, financial independence, or just living a stress-free life. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. Get started now, and let's make that financial freedom a reality.